Let's dive into the fascinating world of generative AI. It's a category of algorithms that create new content by learning from existing data. Imagine it like a chef who knows hundreds of recipes and can invent a new dish based on the flavors and techniques they've mastered.
That's a great analogy, Sarah. Generative AI works by analyzing patterns in the data it's given, like music or text, and then creating something new that fits those patterns. It's a bit like composing a new song that feels familiar, yet fresh.
Speaking of text, generative AI is quite the author. It can write stories, articles, and even help translate languages. You've probably interacted with it through chatbots or virtual assistants, which use AI to chat with you as if you're talking to a real person.
Exactly. And think about how AI can quickly produce blog articles or news stories. This means faster access to diverse content without a human typing every word. But it's important to remember that while AI can mimic human writing, the creativity and personal touch of a human writer are unique.
Now let's move on to image creation. Generative AI can create stunning visuals. One popular technique is using something called Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs. These create images that look convincingly real, almost like magic.
In practice, AI can generate artworks that resemble famous painting styles or help enhance facial recognition technology, making it more reliable. It's also used in designing virtual environments for video games, creating immersive experiences.
Generative AI impacts everyday life, from music to architecture. It can compose music tracks and edit videos, helping artists and producers save a lot of time. In design, AI can quickly draft prototypes for new products or buildings, making it a valuable tool for designers.
And then there's personalized marketing. AI tailors content and recommendations to suit individual preferences, making us feel like the ads know us almost too well. This personalization increases engagement and can drive sales.
Now, why is all this important? Well, generative AI drives innovation. It gives creators new tools to explore their crafts and enhances efficiency by handling routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on strategic things.
Plus, it increases accessibility. Sophisticated AI tools are no longer just for big companies. Smaller businesses and individual creators can now access these, leveling the playing field in various industries.
To wrap up, generative AI is transforming how we approach creativity and automation. By understanding and embracing these technologies, both individuals and businesses can unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. It's an exciting time for technology and creativity.
And speaking of exciting, we're just getting started. In our next segment, we'll explore how AI is reshaping specific industries and what that means for the future.
Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of generative AI. You might be wondering, what exactly is generative AI?
Great question, Sarah. Generative AI is like a creative artist in the realm of artificial intelligence. Unlike AI that's focused on analyzing existing information, generative AI creates fresh new content such as text, images, or music.
It essentially learns from patterns it detects in existing data to mirror reality in its creations. Sounds a bit like how we learn by observing the world around us, doesn't it?
Exactly, Sarah. To achieve this, generative AI relies on some fascinating techniques. Let's talk about a couple of them: neural networks and generative adversarial networks, or GANs for short.
Neural networks, you say? Those are like mini brains, right? They mimic how our brains process information by recognizing patterns and making predictions based on data.
Yes, that's a good way to put it. GANs, on the other hand, are a bit different. They involve two components: the generator, which creates new data, and the discriminator, which helps ensure that this data looks real by providing feedback to refine the generator's work.
It's like a friendly competition where both parts challenge each other to improve. And then there are variational autoencoders, or VAEs, that compress data and reconstruct it to create new variations.
That's right. These methods are what make generative AI's outputs not just creative, but also highly realistic. Now, Sarah, can you share some real-world applications of generative AI?
Certainly, Rana. In text generation, for instance, generative AI powers chatbots to make conversations feel more human and even drafts articles or poetry. Then there's image creation, where artists use it to craft unique artwork or improve photo quality.
That's fascinating. And let's not forget music composition. Musicians can use generative AI to create new music tracks, explore new genres, or develop original soundscapes.
Exactly. The impact of generative AI is significant. It not only drives innovation by automating creative processes, but also boosts efficiency, reducing time and effort in content creation and design.
Plus, it advances technology by continuously pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities, spurring new research and applications.
Generative AI is indeed more than just a tool. It's a transformative force reshaping creativity and production. Understanding it allows us to appreciate its potential for driving future innovations.
And with that, we're equipped with a better understanding of generative AI. Let's continue our journey and see how these innovations are implemented in various industries.
Let's dive into the intriguing world of generative AI. Ever wondered how machines can take on creative tasks like writing or designing? Well, generative AI is the magic behind it.
That's right. Generative AI learns from existing data to create new content. Imagine a machine that studies art pieces and then paints its own masterpiece. It's transforming fields like writing, art, and design with its realistic outputs.
So, what exactly is generative AI? Simply put, it involves systems that create new content by studying patterns from existing information. It's like a digital artist learning from other artworks to create its own.
And this isn't just about art, it's crucial for automating creative tasks across industries. It provides innovative solutions by mimicking human creativity.
But why is generative AI important? Well, it revolutionizes how content is created, offering tools that generate text, images, music, and more with astonishing precision. Imagine having an assistant that can write a story or compose a song.
Speaking of text, have you heard of text generation? It uses models like GPT, which rely on neural networks. These networks are like mini brains for computers, helping them understand language nuances and produce coherent text.
For example, platforms like ChatGPT can craft human-like text. They're incredibly useful in fields like customer service or creative writing, providing responses that sound just like us.
Now, let's talk about image creation. Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, are a fascinating technique here. They involve two neural networks. One generates images, and the other critiques them to improve quality.
This approach helps in creating digital art, lifelike design prototypes, and enhancing photo quality. Imagine improving an old, grainy photo to make it look sharp and vibrant.
Beyond creating content, generative AI enhances efficiency. It speeds up creative processes, freeing up creatives and businesses to focus on innovation rather than just production.
Generative AI also fosters innovation in media, gaming, and virtual reality, allowing creators to explore new ideas and push boundaries. It's like opening a door to endless possibilities.
Plus, it increases accessibility. Generative AI tools are now available to individuals and organizations, even those without a lot of technical expertise. It's democratizing creativity.
To sum it up, understanding the basics of generative AI helps us appreciate its potential to transform industries. With this knowledge, we can harness AI tools to boost creativity and productivity, paving the way for a future where technology and creativity go hand in hand.
Up next, we'll explore how you can start using these AI tools in your own creative projects. Ready to continue?
Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, generative AI and its impact across various industries. We're going to see how it's changing the game in healthcare, retail, and even entertainment. Let's start with healthcare, shall we?
Absolutely. In healthcare, generative AI is making waves, particularly with synthetic data generation. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is synthetic data?
Good question. Synthetic data is artificially created information that mirrors real-world data. This is crucial because it allows us to handle data without exposing sensitive patient details. For instance, think of it like a high-quality replica of an art piece, serving the same purpose without risking the original.
Exactly. With techniques like Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, we can generate realistic medical images. This synthetic data is great for training doctors in a way that respects patient privacy and for testing AI systems safely.
And here's a real-world example. Medical researchers create diverse datasets using synthetic data to study rare diseases. This helps in developing better diagnostic tools. Let's move on to retail.
The retail industry also benefits significantly from AI, especially through personalized designs. AI uses clustering algorithms and neural networks to analyze consumer preferences. This means it can predict and cater to individual tastes.
Right, the goal here is to craft unique product designs that boost customer satisfaction. Imagine walking into a store and finding clothes that seem custom made just for you. Retailers are doing exactly that by using AI to tailor clothing or home decor to match consumer trends.
That's a game changer for customer loyalty, isn't it? Now, let's talk about entertainment, where generative AI shines in creative content creation.
Yes, AI is helping to generate music, design video game characters, and much more. This makes the creative process quicker and more adaptable. Think about a video game where the soundtrack changes based on what you're doing in the game. That's AI at work.
It's fascinating how these technologies enrich our experiences. But why is understanding generative AI's broader impact important?
Because it speeds up processes, cuts costs, and sparks creativity in new ways. It's like having a tool that not only makes tasks more efficient, but also opens doors to unprecedented artistic and scientific exploration.
Plus, the economic value is significant. It enhances user experiences across industries, leading to better service delivery and product offerings. So, what should we take away from all this?
Generative AI is clearly transformative, providing practical solutions that foster efficiency and creativity. Understanding these applications equips us to effectively engage with the future of AI, readying us for the exciting advancements it will bring.
Well said, Sarah. Embracing this knowledge indeed prepares us for the opportunities AI has in store. Let's explore more about how AI is shaping our world next.
Generative AI is quite fascinating. It can create content like images, music, and text, opening up a world of possibilities. But with this power comes responsibility. We need to tackle some important ethical challenges to ensure it's used responsibly.
Absolutely, Sarah. One of the biggest concerns is the misuse of generative AI. Have you heard of deepfakes?
Yes, deepfakes can be dangerously deceptive. They are hyper-realistic fake videos or images that look convincingly real. Imagine a video of a public figure making false statements. If it goes viral, it can mislead many people and even influence public opinion.
And it's not just videos. AI can generate fake news articles that spread quickly, making it hard to find accurate information. This type of misuse can undermine trust in the media and public information sources.
So, keeping these in check is crucial. Then there's the aspect of quality control, especially in critical areas like journalism and healthcare. AI-generated content must be accurate. Can you think of why this might be so crucial in healthcare?
In healthcare, an AI-generated diagnostic report must be accurate to ensure patient safety and effective treatment. And in journalism, factual accuracy is vital to maintain the integrity of reporting.
That's right. Collaboration between AI developers and field experts is key to achieving this accuracy and ensuring credibility. But there's also the issue of bias in AI systems.
Bias is a significant concern. If an AI system is trained on data that reflects societal biases, it can result in unfair outcomes. For instance, an AI hiring tool might unintentionally favor certain demographics, leading to unfair recruitment practices.
Or facial recognition systems could have higher error rates for certain racial or ethnic groups if the data isn't diverse and representative. Continuous monitoring and adjustments are essential to mitigate these biases.
And let's not forget about intellectual property considerations. AI-generated content might sometimes infringe on copyrights. Developers need to ensure that the content respects existing laws and is either original or uses existing works fairly.
Like an AI that generates art, it needs to avoid mimicking existing artworks too closely to avoid copyright issues. The same goes for AI-generated music, which shouldn't replicate existing melodies from copyrighted songs.
Addressing these ethical challenges is crucial for the responsible deployment of AI technologies. It's all about maintaining public trust through transparent and ethical practices in various sectors.
Whether it's in the financial sector, where AI can enhance efficiency, or in education, where it can personalize learning, ethical considerations are necessary to protect rights and ensure unbiased, accessible content.
By preparing for responsible AI implementation, we encourage practices that benefit society without compromising ethical standards. Understanding these considerations helps ensure AI remains a positive force, enhancing innovation while respecting fundamental rights and values.
And on that note, let's continue to explore how we can implement these ethical guidelines in real-world applications. So, Rana could summarize what generative AI is.
Sarah, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that's designed to create new content, like images, music, or text. Think of it like an artist or a writer that can produce content on demand. Doesn't that sound intriguing?
And it's not just limited to the arts, right? Generative AI is transforming several industries. For example, in advertising, it can craft unique campaigns or create striking visuals that catch the eye.
It's also an innovation catalyst, helping businesses push the boundaries and develop new products or services. Imagine having a tool that can spark fresh ideas and new directions for innovation.
That leads us to creativity. Generative AI can be a valuable partner for artists, right?
Definitely. It can suggest new ideas and even automate repetitive tasks, so creators can focus on more complex and rewarding activities. It's like having a creative assistant that enhances productivity.
However, as we know, with great power comes responsibility. How can we balance the opportunities with the potential risks?
That's a key point, Sarah. It's crucial to consider the ethical implications. Generative AI can be used for a wide range of applications, but we need ethical guidelines to prevent misuse, such as creating deepfakes or biased content.
Right, transparency and accountability are essential. It's important for AI systems to be open about their processes, to hold creators accountable for their outcomes.
And this is relevant for everyone, not just tech enthusiasts. Understanding how generative AI works is becoming increasingly important across various fields. Whether for future careers or responsible integration into current workflows, it matters.
So, what can learners do to build their foundational knowledge in generative AI?
Well, gaining insight into AI's potential helps learners harness its capabilities while being mindful of its risks. This encourages a balanced approach to adopting new technologies, alongside critical thinking about their societal impact.
In summary, generative AI is a powerful tool that can drive innovation and efficiency, but it requires careful and ethical management. It's about maximizing benefits while minimizing harms, right?
Exactly, Sarah. Understanding and applying ethical considerations around AI technologies is key for learners to truly leverage its potential. Ready to explore further into how AI is shaping our world?